Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So today I'm bringing you guys this blue look. I was inspired by blue. Blue is my favorite color and I really wanted to do a blue look. So this is what I came up with. If you want to see how I achieved this look and you want to recreate it for yourself, then keep on watching. But before we get into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And of course, share this video with all your friends and give it a like if you like this video. Anyways, let me stop rambling and let's get right into it. So guys, we're gonna get into this look. I'm starting off with the Maziyah palette by Sugabee Cosmetics, and I'm going into that shade called Envy. And this is basically going to act like my transition color. I don't want the colors to be too harsh, so I'm just going to add that color to my crease, and that's just gonna make everything like blend seamlessly together. So that's what you see me do. I'm gonna continue packing on that color until I'm satisfied with how pigmented it is. So to get into that blue color, I'm going to use the color Cake. And what I'm going to be doing with that color, I'm just going to work that more so on the middle of my lid and just pack that on and blend it into the crease and the outer area of my eye. And this is also going to help because the next blue color that we're going to be using is going to be a little more like darker than this. So this kind of helps it blend seamlessly and there's no like harsh lines. So I'm packing that on, mostly focusing on the like middle part of my eyelid and my crease, of course, and I'm just going in a downward motion so that it kind of accentuates the outer like V shape of my eye, because I want to like V and kind of like that foxy eye look if you want. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm just packing that on until I'm satisfied with how pigmented it is and how the color comes out. Still using that same palette, I'm gonna go into Twilight Dreams, and this is a very like, it's a shimmery blue, I would say, and I love this color, guys. Like, it's so beautiful. But basically I'm gonna pack that on starting in the inner corner of my eye and working towards like the middle part of my lid. So that's what you see me doing here. I'm literally just packing on, and if you want to, you can wet your brush before dipping into this color so that like it comes out more pigmented. Personally, for this look, I did not do that. I just went ahead and packed it on because, as you can see, like that color is like out there, like it's very pigmented, and I didn't even have to spray my brush with setting spray. But just a tip for if you're having difficulty with your shimmer colors showing up, then just spray your brush with setting spray before dipping into it and applying it. Now we are going to change palettes, going into the Kamiah palette, still by Sugabee Cosmetics. I'm taking that color and it's in the shade Rebirth. It's basically a black color. Now before I used this, I didn't realize it was a shimmery black. I thought it was like a matte black, but I'm actually not matte because it definitely worked out for this look and it looked really nice. So a tip that I will have for you working with very dark colors, especially black, is go in lightly, guys. Like, I cannot stress this enough. Just start with a little bit on your brush. Make sure you dust off your brush right before applying it on your eyelid, and just work in small sections, and honestly keep packing it on, because it's always easier to pack it on and like keep building the color than to erase like a mistake if you've like put too much on at first. So definitely do that. I'm gonna keep blending it in the outer corner of my eye and apply my lashes by BD by Lashes in the style Los Angeles, and that's basically the look. So guys, this is the final look. Today's tutorial was more focused on my eye makeup, so it was something a little simple. And I did go ahead and apply lashes from Beauty by BD. I will leave all the links down below and my code, because I do have a code if you want to purchase from them. These lashes are in the style Los Angeles, so yeah, if you like them, check it out and use my code for some coins off. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really like this look and how it came out. Like, I love this because blue is my favorite color, so I just really like how it came out. And yeah, basically, I hope you guys enjoyed this video too. If you like these types of tutorials, then give this video a thumbs up so we know what kind of videos you guys like. Comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see. And of course, if you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Hit the subscribe button, because I'm telling you, you're missing out. We'll provide you with more natural hair videos or just hair videos in general, makeup tutorials, fashion videos. So definitely hit the subscribe button down below, because you won't regret it, and join the family. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys in our next video. Bye guys!